Do it for the users. I think way too many people are asking me, well, how do you have so many people following you? Why do people care? Why are people passionate about the product? I think what so many people are not realizing in this space and in business in 2008 and beyond is that with everything being transparent and everybody knowing everything about anything and everything, authenticity is going to rule the day. And so when people are making products, when you're making a new app, when you're coming out with a new feature, or when you're building your own personal brand, you need to make every decision based on the user, your friends, your fans, whatever you want to call them. I prefer friends these days. Anyway, I just don't understand why people are saying things like, they come up with a new scheme or new business model or a new app, and they're saying to themselves, oh, I can do this, I can monetize this. And then they come out and try to package it as saying, this is for the user. People understand where things are coming from today, guys. You just can't come out with a product that you think you're going to monetize or it's going to help you globally with your marketing efforts, or you're going to sell against it and then come out and say, this is for the user. I have a very good idea. If you make stuff for the user and you do stuff for the user's going to like you. Try it.